Sometimes I know it feels like you ain't gonna make it, but you gotta keep pushing so you really can make it.
Welcome back to my channel, y'all. Okay, your girl, you know, I still got some tomatoes left. They almost turned red, look, but I'm finna fry them today. So, but I'm finna do some chicken, y'all. I just showing y'all my vegetables. I'm gonna put this in my rice. I'm gonna do some like tomato peppery type of rice. So these are the peppers I got from my guy, Mr. Steve Charles. And then I still got the few little green tomatoes that I'm gonna just cut up and cook on the side. But yeah, I'm just trying to cook them before they go all the way red right there. See, I got like 4. It's going all the way red. And we don't want that. We want to fry them up before they get too soft. They still hard right now. It's really good. So yeah, let's get started, y'all. I'm just talking. Let's get started. We're going to do some pan fried chicken. 1 pot with the rice. Y'all know I like to do 1 pot. So we're going to do a pan fried chicken, thighs. And then we're going to mix the rice in there. We're gonna put all these good vegetables in that rice, and then we're gonna cook these tomatoes on the side. And what else we're gonna do? I think that's gonna be it. I was gonna do my squash, but I'll do that for Sunday, so it'll last to Sunday. I'm gonna freeze them and put them in some bags. But yes, we're about to get this rice going and this chicken, so I'll show you how to do my chicken. Let's go. All right, y'all, so I got just 9 chicken thighs that I already washed and cleaned, and I kind of pat it dry a little bit because I don't want a lot of water on it when I put it in the grease. Kind of dry as I can get them. So I'm about to season them with whatever seasoning you want to season it with, and then I'm going to show y'all what I do next. All right, let me season them. I just used some onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, some complete seasoning, and Creole seasoning. Yeah, that's it. And I'm about to get them in the skillet, so hold on. Inside down. I got the grease up a little high. Turn it down. Hold on, y'all. Inside down first, and then I'll season it as we go. So hold on. All right, y'all. So I seasoned this side. Still got the skin down. I seasoned this side, and I'm just gonna fry it, y'all, for just a minute. And yeah, I put some on this side. I added a little different. I added some turmeric, some cumin, some parsley flakes, and a little more different type of seasonings. Just well, the same seasonings, but the turmeric and cumin on this side. So yeah, we're gonna let that fry, y'all. Let that skin get crispy on the other side, and then we're gonna flip it over. We're gonna take it out, and we're gonna add our rice to this same skillet. We're gonna leave a little of this grease in here, not a lot, and I'm gonna put my tomatoes and stuff. I'll show y'all what I do next for the tomato rice. So, yes, honey. 1 pot meals, you know how I do. But anywho, let's let this fry up. And I'm gonna flip it, and I'll be back, y'all. Just a second. Alrighty, y'all. So we got them flipped over on that side. Yeah, it got a little color on them. But because this skillet is so big, I have to put them close together so they all can cook properly. Well, yeah, we're going to let them cook on this side for about another 15 minutes. And then I'm going to take them out, and I'm going to get my rice in here. More my tomatoes and stuff first, and then we're going to add the rice. Then we're going to put the chicken back on top of the rice, and we're going to let it cook down. So it can get all the way done in that rice. Yeah, so I'll be back, y'all, in just a few. Once this side get done, we're going to flip it over 1 more time because that's a little light for me. So I'm going to flip it over 1 more time, let it do its thing. And then we're going to get our rice started. All right, get dog. All right, y'all, so I'm being lazy. I'm sitting on my couch. I'm going to slice these up. I'm just going to slice these because they're going to cook down when I get them in there anyway. I want to add some onion and garlic, but I just want to do tomato rice. So I don't want no onions in it today. I'm just going to do the peppers and the little sunburst tomatoes and those big juicy jokers right there. So just chop them up. They're going to be still kind of big, but yeah, we're going to get them chopped up a little bit so they'll cook down. Alrighty, so I'll be right back, guys. Alright, y'all, so I got all my tomatoes chopped up. And I want all the juice to stay, so it's just sitting in this juice. But I'm about to add this into my skillet, and then I'm gonna add my rice. I'm gonna get this sauteed up. The peppers is not hot. They taste almost like a mini bell pepper. But they good. It's got a little flavor in them. They good though. So we're gonna get this all sauteed, and then I'm gonna add my rice, and I'll show y'all what I do with that. Be back. Okay, so our chicken is done. You see that? This is done. Now these, I want to get a little more color on that skin side. So I'll put these to the side. Excuse me. And I'm gonna add these in the middle. Get a little more color. This needs some more color. Put it in the middle of the flame. Just need a little more color. They all need a little more color here. I'm gonna just try to get them in the middle of the flame, get a little more crispiness to the skin. And I'll be back in a second. Alright, y'all, so I add a little bit of my chicken grease, the oil from my chicken, and I added some butter. And that is how I'm going to do that. I'm going to add my vegetables in this oil, and then I'll add my rice. And I'm going to show y'all what kind of rice I'm putting in here. So let's get this butter melted down. And I'm going to add my vegetables, and I'll be back. Alright, here we go, y'all. Add our tomatoes right in that butter. I was going to saute them down, y'all. And then I'm going to add my rice. Alright. Of course, this is my electric skillet, y'all. Y'all know I love my electric skillet. Now we're gonna let this render down. I'm gonna add our rice. So I'll be back. Oh, let me show y'all what rice is. Rice pillow. It's got some vegetables in it. Yeah. I'm mixing it with this chicken flavored rice. And this get done fast. This is like a vermicelli rice. So it's got like noodles in it. But yeah, we're gonna put that in there too. So alright, y'all, so as you can see, I rendered down all the tomatoes. And look at the peppers. They look so good, don't they? Yes, render them down. And now, I'm just going to add my rice right in here. Just like that. And yeah, I'm going to set my chicken back on top if they'll fit. Because you know it's my little small skillet, but I want to do it in here because it cooks so perfect. So yeah, let's put the rice. Okay, so we added the rice into tomatoes, and then I'm gonna add me some water. I'm gonna cook it down. But that's it. It has its own seasoning. I did season my tomatoes just a little bit. I only added some parsley and a little salt and a little pepper, just a pinch or so. But yeah, the rice got its own seasoning, so I don't want to overdo it. So yeah, let's get the water in. I'm gonna get it cooking, and I'll be back. All right, so somehow I managed to get all of the tomatoes. And some of them was red inside, and some of them was a little, you know, they still gonna be good. They were still hard enough to fry. And then, yeah, we got that going. So, I just used cornmeal today, y'all. No batter. Just straight cornmeal, seasoned, and cornmeal. Quick little, you know, 1-2. All right, so I flipped them over. Y'all got a little chicken grease on it, you know what I'm saying? Ain't gonna hurt nothing. Yeah, that's how we do it in the country. Cook it in that chicken grease. Yeah, the golden brown on that side. Got a lot of booties in there. The booties is the back, y'all see. I love that part. So good. But yeah, they about to be done. And I'm figuring to take these out. So, rice is almost done. Chicken is done. I'll show y'all finished product in just a minute. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, so it's almost at the end. And I added my chicken to the rice. I added my chicken to the rice, and I'm gonna cut this off because it's done. The rice is done. I don't want to overcook it, and I'm about to cover it up and let that steam cook that chicken on through. And that is my one pot tomato chicken and rice. Well, tomato rice and chicken. All right, y'all, let me cover it up, and I'll be back in just a minute to show y'all what it looks like when it finishes. And I'm about to take my tomatoes out. All right. Alrighty, y'all, it is done. And voila. There it is. Hopefully I showed y'all step by step how I do it. It is so good. Rice is done down in there. Tomatoes is nice and tender. Chicken is all the way done. Yes, that is it, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I hope y'all continue to support my channel. And I love you guys. Bye. Bye, guys. Thank y'all. All right, I want to give y'all an up close of my rice after I let it sit for 10 minutes. There it is. Oh, that flavor, y'all. So yummy. There's the chicken up close. Yummy. There's my fried green tomatoes with a little crisp on them, you know. They're just chicken drippings. And that's the little red one I had right there. And I just sprinkle a little parsley on top. And that is it, y'all. That is my meal. And it is about to be busted. Guys, look at that rice. Rice turned out so good, y'all. Look at the peppers, tomatoes, so good. Look at that chicken. And my old school tomatoes. See? Just succulent. All right, y'all, bye.